This video will review the Demographics Age Band Report tab on the Workforce Deployment Dashboard. The Department of Human Resources and the Edison Business Intelligence team in the Department of Finance Administration has collaborated to build an easy-to-read series of dashboards in the Business Intelligence module of Edison. The Workforce Deployment Dashboard contains key human capital management data metrics that begin at the highest level, such as staffing, turnover, and demographics, in an easy-to-read format. In this video, we will be discussing the Demographics Age Band tab. This tab has two sets of data. One report examines the number of employees in age groups and by generational category and identifies 3-year trends in the data. The second report is a count and percentage overview of employees aged 55 and older. This report is a precursor to the Retirement Eligibility Report to help agencies identify employees who are at the minimum retirement age. The data in the Age Band report cross-references age and social generational data. There are 6 age bands. This chart shows the category title on the left and the age in years that falls within that category on the right. Generation calculations use the employee's date of birth and are calculated based on the Pew Research Center generation definitions. The state of Tennessee has been using the definitions from Pew since 2015. Now, let's look at the demographics by age band data as it appears in the dashboard. There are 2 ways to access the Business Intelligence module from the Edison homepage. The first way is to click here. Under the Other Applications list, click on Business Intelligence. The second way is to click on the navigation bar in the top right corner, click on Menu, and then click on Business Intelligence. From the homepage, access the Workforce Deployment Dashboard by clicking on the Dashboard drawdown at the top right of the page. On the list of dashboards, click on Workforce Deployment. The Workforce Deployment Dashboard's default is to open to the Overview tab. To access Demographics Age Band data, click on the Demographics Age Band tab. If you've seen some of the other BI training videos, you'll notice that the filter for this report has less choices than the other reports, much like the Retirement Eligibility Report. For the purposes of this video, the filter is set to see Environment and Conservation data for the calendar year 2024. The first report on this tab is the Employee Age Band Trend Report on the left. The report will show counts of employees in each age band in the year chosen in the filter and the 2 years immediately previous to that year. The graph shows the number of employees in each age band group. The data field is color-coded to show the number of employees in the age band per year. The legend of the colors is on the right side of the graph. On the table, the employee count for each age band and the generational definition is listed. If a generational category is not listed under the age band, there are no employees that are within that age band and generational band. For example, in 2024, the 20 to 30 years age band has 327 employees, both full and part-time, in the age group that are considered Generation Z. There are 194 employees in the millennial category, for a grand total of 521 employees in the 20 to 30 years age band group. Unlike other reports, the data on this report does not have the ability to drill down to get more detailed data. The second report on this tab is the count and percentage of employees who are over the age of 55. This report was a precursor to the Retirement Eligibility Report on this dashboard. The graph for this report shows the 3-year trend of percentage of employees aged 55 years or older for the last 3 years. The table provides the same percentage information, but shows the number of employees, as well as the total employee headcount as of the last day of the respective year for the entire agency or division. There are drill down options on this report. Right-click on any one of the employee counts and click on the View Employee Age 55 Demographics link. The next window that opens has a drawdown arrow with 2 options, by job family description or by pay grade. Age 55 plus by job family description is the default, showing the data by graph, and by table. Clicking on any one of the numbers in the table will show a detailed version of the employees in that job family. Names have been redacted here for privacy reasons. The data will show the supervisor name, the job code description, the employee name, their pay grade, and then their length of service, the time and grade, time and job, and time and organization. A supervisor indicator, if the employee is a supervisor, a 1 will appear. If they aren't a supervisor, a 0 will appear. The last column gives the employee's age at the time of the report. Another option is to view the data by pay grade. Click on the drawdown arrow here and select pay grade. The information appears in graph and table form. Clicking on any one of the numbers in the table will show a report with the same columns as the job family description drill down, but only for those in that pay grade. This concludes the Workforce Deployment Demographics Age Band Report training. Please view our other videos in this section to learn more about the individual dashboards and reports. If you have any questions, please contact a member of the DOHR Organizational Performance and Data Management team directly or at dohr.opdm@tn.gov at any time. Thank you.